Hello everyone, I am Nueva, and today's video I will perform you the basic skills you needed in badminton and the 4 types of serve in badminton. Forehand and backhand grips. Forehand and backhand grips looks almost the same. Basically, you'll need to use the forehand grips to hit forehand shots and backhand grips to hit backhand shots. There's only one slight difference: the placement of your finger. Forehand badminton gripping technique is your thumb does not necessarily have to press against the wider surface of the badminton grip for forehand stroke. Your index finger should be the one in control in forehand stroke. This simply means using your index finger to push the racket forward while doing a forehand stroke. However, rest your thumb comfortably anywhere near the wider surface of the badminton grip to enable to change the backhand grip quickly. While backhand badminton gripping technique, the key to perform stroke backhand depends on how you hold your racket. The true power of a badminton backhand shot comes from the push of your thumb. The backhand stroke requires you to use your thumb, so you should now press your thumb on the wider surface of the badminton grip. Relax your index finger and move it closer to your middle finger. The backhand grip will look like doing a thumbs up. Ready position or ready stance. Ready position, your weight should be lower a little, with your knees slightly bent. Your weight should be shifted forwards a little, so that you are on the balls of your toes. The next thing is to take these techniques and turn into a stroke. A stroke is the swing motion of our racket arm. We need proper stroke to execute certain shots. The 4 basic strokes. Overhead forehand. The most common we see. The first to learn. Underarm forehand. A low shot on the forehand side. Forehead backhand. Many people's main weakness. And the underarm backhand. A low shot on the backhand side. Footwork. The footwork will be sachet on the side, and the sequence will be the left foot into the right before the right foot is taken out sideways away from the left. The final step with the racket leg should allow you with your extended arm and racket to reach the shuttle. Keep your upper body still and try not to drop the head. High serve. The high serve is a wonderful strike upward with the shuttle that aims to travel a great distance upward and fall deep at the rear end of the court. Although it is a strong serve and the popular choice of beginner players, it is a serve that isn't so easy to disguise, especially since you are using forehand grip. Your opponent will be already expected the shuttlecock to land at the back of the court. Low serve. This low serve is almost a gentle tap over the net with the shuttle, with the aim of flying just over the net, yet falling just over the front line of his service court. It must not be too high or predictable, otherwise it would be easy for your opponent to do an outright smash or net kill. Flick serve. The flick serve is also played upward but at a much lesser altitude. It is most common for the player to use their backhand to execute the flick serve, and the trajectory is lower as this grip has less power. The whole point of the backhand flick serve is deception by mixing your serve up and making it look like you're doing a low serve. For this reason, serving with your backhand is thus very popular with competitive players. It becomes hard for your opponent to predict if you are going to do a flick or low serve, as your stroke will look exactly the same until the point of contact. Drive serve. This is an attacking serve that is used by top badminton players like Lin Dan. The idea is to hit the shuttle directly at your opponent, limiting the return option and catching them off guard, winning you easy points. It's good change of pace, but it is also risky, as if your opponent is prepared, he could just smash the shuttlecock back at you. This serve executed with your forehand through underarm action and the following through. The shuttle should be dropped at a bit sideways rather than in front of your body and hit flutter. So that's it. I hope you learned from this video and give it a thumbs up, and please subscribe to my channel. Goodbye!